Good morning, everyone. Welcome in your English online class. Students, let us begin our class with the topic Use of Capital Letters. Today we are going to study where should we make the use of capital letters and why it is necessary to write that word in capital letters. So, let us go. At very first use, we see that the first letter of the sentence is always capital. Whenever we start to write any sentence, the first letter should be capital. It should never ever be in small letters. That will be absolutely wrong. The first letter of any sentence should be capital. Let us go through an example. At first place we are having the earth revolves round the sun. Now we see that the first letter T, it should be capital. It should always be capital. The earth revolves round the sun. Now next example, Doraemon is my favorite cartoon character. Now D should be capital. Here any name can be there at the place of Doraemon. Any name can be there, but one thing is to be kept in mind that the first letter should be capital. The next use of the capital letter is with proper nouns. With proper nouns. Now what are proper nouns? Proper nouns are special names. They are special names of whom? Any person, place or animal. But always keep it in mind that things, they never ever fall in proper nouns. Things are always common nouns. So we are talking about the names of person. We have taken the example of Ravi and Ravina. Any name can be there, all names. Next, place, Delhi and Meerut. Any city can be there. Next is animal, Tuffy and Dolby. Any name of animal can be there. The first letter should begin with the capital letter. It should be in capital form. Next use is with the names of days and month. Whenever we write the names of days, for example Sunday and Tuesday, but any day can be there. Like Sunday is my favorite day. On Tuesday I always go to temple, but any day. On Wednesday I go to play in the park. If you are taking the name of the days, you will write the first letter capital. It should always and always be in capital form. Now let's see the use of months, like June. Any month can be taken, July, August, December. Any month can be taken, January, February. The first letter of the days and months should be capital. Next use is subject. If you are talking about any subject, like English is my favorite subject, I like to read Hindi, I love to do maths, even then you see that the first letter should be capital. First letter should be capital of any subject, maybe of science, maybe of SST, any subject. If you are referring about the subject, the first letter should be capital of subjects. Now comes the turn of festivals. Festivals, they are also having special names. Festivals, Diwali, Holi, Durga Puja. Then you will start the first letter of the names of the festival with capital letters. D capital, you are writing here H capital. Durga Puja, D and P should be capital. Next is headings. Headings. Whenever you are writing the heading of your lesson, any chapter, then always keep it in mind that the main words, the first letter should be in capital. But what about these grammatical forms? They should always be in short forms. Short forms means in small letters. Now Hanuman and I. We are seeing that H should be in capital. H will be in capital letter. Now this and again grammatical term, and I will be in capital. Next heading, in the land of Lilliput. Now here again we are seeing that I, of course the first letter should be capital, but land, L will be capital, and Lilliput, L will be capital. Now comes the use of newspapers. Whenever you are writing about any newspaper name, you are talking about any newspaper name, and you will start the first letter of the newspaper in capital ones, like the Tribune. I like to read the newspaper the Tribune. Then T will be capital, and Tribune, this T will also be capital. Next example is, my father loves to read the Punjab Kesari. Then T will be capital, this P will be capital, and Kesari, K will also be in capital form. Any newspaper, the Dainik Bhaskar or the Hindustan Times, any newspaper you can take here, but it will always start with the first letter capital, as you can see in the examples. Next is books. If you are talking about books, for example, my English reader, then M will be capital, the first letter E will be capital, and R will be capital. They will be in capital forms, and the rest of the letters are in short forms. Next example, Bravia. B will be capital. You will never ever write B in short form. Short form means small letters. B will be in capital letters. Bravia. The rest of the letters we are seeing that they are in small ones. They are in small letters, and this B will be in capital letters always, because you are writing the heading of the book, the name of the book. Now students, this is your use of capital letters. I know now you are very comfortable with the topic, and you have got the knowledge where to make use of the capital letters. Just try to frame your own sentences. Go through the lecture once again. Keep on practicing class, keep on trying and learn well. Thank you students. Good.